If you've spotted a dark stain on a wall, ceiling, cabinet, or flooring, and your first thought is, I think that might be mold, you're not alone. It's a common concern after water damage, leaks, or even after returning home from an extended trip. We completely understand the worry. Mold can feel scary, and you naturally want to protect your family and your home. But here's something we want every homeowner to understand. If you suspect mold, don't panic, and be careful about how you describe it to your insurance company. We caution homeowners against using the word mold too early when reporting a concern to the insurance carrier. Why? Because most homeowners' insurance policies either exclude mold altogether or limit the coverage severely, especially if the mold is believed to be caused by long-term or repeated water exposure, which is considered maintenance-related and not a sudden covered peril. There are also different types and stages of what may look like mold. Not all stains are harmful mold. Only a licensed mold specialist can determine whether it's truly mold, and more importantly, whether it's the kind that poses a health risk or requires formal abatement. Our recommendation: instead of telling your insurance company you have mold, say something like, I've discovered staining or discoloration and need a professional to take a look. This allows trained professionals, like your mitigation or remediation contractor, to assess the area first. If needed, they can recommend proper testing and next steps. A trustworthy mitigation company will know when mold testing is actually necessary and how to navigate the conversation with the carrier in a way that preserves your coverage options. If mold is confirmed and there is coverage, your contractor and carrier can proceed with the appropriate protocol. But by letting the professionals lead the determination, you avoid prematurely triggering mold exclusions or limiting your benefits. If you do have mold coverage, it often comes with a hard cap $10,000, and mold cleanup can easily exceed that, especially in large or complex cases. That's why it's so important to know. Number 1, what your policy says about mold. Number 2, what caused the damage, sudden versus long-term exposure. And number 3, who is documenting and communicating on your behalf. It's also why we emphasize working with reputable, experienced mitigation companies who not only know how to do the work, but also how to speak the language of insurance and protect your interests. In summary, yes, dark stains or musty smells are worth investigating. But when you suspect mold, the smartest move is to let the right professionals evaluate it and to be intentional with how you describe it to your insurance company.